Alright, Saturday morning, January something, 27th. I woke up this morning with a great idea. So I have a small house, and my bedroom and my art studio are in the same room. It was two small rooms, and I had a wall knocked out and made it one big room. But everything is such a mess, I can't take it anymore. And I have been very sloppy, as you can see, with the clothes on the floor. But there's all my paints. Everything is everywhere. That's my table I'm supposed to be working on, and it's covered. And there's this little nook. My biggest problem is my paintings sitting everywhere. I just can't take it anymore. It's such a mess. It's so disorganized. And there's my nightstand, and my bedroom is the same room. And humidifier. See, there's paintings everywhere. And they're even in between the bed and the wall. I need to... There's my daughter, and she's so cute. That was years ago. But I'm overwhelmed. I wish I had some help. But, see, there's stuff on this end. There's art supplies, an old radio I redid decades ago, with old movie scenes. It's not focusing. There we go. And I just want to get this cleaned up, purge some stuff. It's just piled up everywhere. There's actually a shelf back there with stuff on it too. I even have my carpet shampooer in here. And there's even more paintings. Can't seem to get rid of them. And a birthday box that my sister sent me that I haven't had a chance to get into and really appreciate it. I even have stuff under my bed. So this is what I'm thinking. Since it is kind of like separated to two areas, I'm thinking about moving all the bedroom onto one side and then making that side the studio, craft, whatever you want to call it, area. The bed has to be on this side because there's no room to put a bed over here because it'll block the closet. So the bedroom will have to be on this side and the art studio on that side as much as I can. So I'm not going to film myself cleaning this up because this might take me a couple of weeks to do. So let's get you an overview real quick of how it goes. This is where you walk in. There's the bed. There's the tornado. And then on this side is all this. So it's a good time to do it. It's January. My TV down in my living room blew last night. So we're going to have to, well, not have to, but, thankfully I have a TV in my bedroom. What was I saying? Oh, it's a good time to do it because it's cold outside. There's not a lot to do outside. But come spring, there's going to be a lot of yard work. Spring and summer and fall. There'll be a lot of yard work that has to be done. You know how that is. And there won't be time to really do a whole lot in the winter. But, so that's a good time to do it. TV's blown. It's cold outside. Get this done before spring and summer come. Hopefully have a yard sale in the spring to get rid of a lot of stuff. And yeah, so stay tuned. I'll do intermittent videos. Like I said, I'm not going to film myself doing it because that's just too much work on top of cleaning all this up. So yeah, there you go. I'll be back. So, I think what I'm going to do is post this video of part 1 and then either do a complete video after it's finished or upload in different parts. If in the comments, you could say how you would prefer this to be after this video. Do you want the full video of start to finish, or do you want it in parts? Because this is going to take me a while. I don't have any help, and I'm going to also deep clean the rugs and the windows and the curtains and all that, so it's not going to be anything that's going to be quick. So would you rather have like to be continued videos in different parts, or do you want like the whole thing in one video after this one? So in the comments, let me know, and that will help me decide. Thanks, everyone. I don't know, I just love Mr. Tank so much. So let me know in the comments. I appreciate your help. Thank you.